Are you over O-rings blowing out? Well, we have the solution for you. Introducing the new JetBlade nozzle system. With operator-focused design at its core, the JetBlade system redefines high-pressure nozzle performance and reliability. The JetBlade flat nozzles deliver a more uniform liquid pressure and flow distribution of high-pressure water, with spray angles from 0 to 40 degrees, 5080 psi, 350 bar rated. Stainless steel precision nozzles produce highly efficient and consistent water jets. The engineered flow geometry ensures a compact, controlled spray pattern, maximizing cleaning power, simply putting your machine's rubber, or in this case, water, to the road. At the heart of the system is smart engineering. The O-ring is positioned outside the flow path. This reduces wear, enhancing sealing longevity, and contributes to greater reliability in the field. The result, you ask, far less O-ring replacements and ease of visibility of the O-ring so you can continue to maximize your time on the job site. It's a mechanical slide seat system. No springs, no moving parts, no balls, just robust, dependable, smart engineering, allowing the operator to still adapt accessories at the end of the lance, for example, a turbo nozzle. Also featuring a plastic nozzle holder to go on your lance, swapping from various spray patterns with ease, on the fly, having spare O-rings on hand wherever your job takes you. What does this all mean? Well, while it may take slightly longer to swap a nozzle, the trade-off is clear. Greater durability and peace of mind that comes from using a system that has been designed to last. That means you can carry less gear and stay focused on your task at hand. Don't forget to like, comment, and hit the subscribe or follow button wherever you get your social media from. We'll see you on the next one.